Forklift. It is black and orange. A drill. Plier. It is gray. A bolt and nut. One is blue, another's gray. Pipe wrench. Its handle is red. A loader. A bow saw. Cement mixer. An excavator. Its wheels are black. A bulldozer. An axe. Its handle is orange. A bolt and nut. It's blue. Another bolt and nut with a wrench. A red adjustable spanner. A yellow adjustable spanner. Blue screwdriver. Orange screwdriver. A wood saw. A truck. Nail plier. A green wrench. A hammer. A cobra plier. It's yellow. A saw. A wood saw. A dump truck.